My wife was diagnosed with Alzheimer's when she was just shy of 65 years old, all right? No disease is a good disease, let me put it that way. But Alzheimer's is a death sentence, all right? No one ever comes back from Alzheimer's. There's no remission, there's no cure. I made a promise to myself and to my wife that I would care for her at home. This was her home, and I wanted her to spend her days in her home. I knew I needed a plan. I knew I had to see an attorney. I had to get my wife on Medicaid. There was an agency, it was a 501c, a nonprofit, that was holding a seminar. First of all, I wanted to educate myself on Alzheimer's. And one of the things at this seminar is they were going to have a panel of attorneys, and they were going to present like that. So I went to the seminar, and I guess there was about 6 or 8 attorneys that got up and did their presentation. When Ellen got up and did her presentation, and I saw that, I says, that's the attorney that I want to see. I made an appointment. I came in to see Ellen, and she sat me down. I guess we spoke over an hour. Everybody's situation is different. Your finances are different. Family dynamics is different. Your needs are different. Ellen sat me down and wanted to know all of these things, and we came up with a game plan. You know, what did I want, and what could she do to help me reach that? We got my wife on Medicaid, and it was the best thing I ever did. It's any disease, it's very expensive, all the things that are involved in this. Me and my wife worked very hard for everything that but I'll pay my fair share, but I needed help. So getting my wife on Medicaid was very helpful for me taking care of her at home. It allowed me to hire aides. You know, I had aides 12 hours a day, 7 days a week. You know, it allowed me to take care of supplies that she needed, medication, all of those things that go with the disease. Well, as the disease progressed, I realized that what if something happens to me? Who's going to take care of my wife? And how is she going to be taken care of the way I want her to be taken care of? So I called Ellen again. I came in to see her again. And again, she asked me, Paul, what do you need? What are you looking to do? And we set up a trust. And in that trust, I knew that I could prepare, God forbid something happened to me, that my children and my grandchildren would take care of my wife the way I wanted to take care of. So that was that. My wife passed away in September 2018. Now my needs changed, all right? Now that my wife was gone, I wanted to make sure that whatever assets and whatever things I had would be transferred to my children and my grandchildren without a problem. Again, I came in and I saw Ellen, and again, we came up with a plan where I now feel comfortable that when I go, my wishes will be taken care of. And that's it. The association with Ellen and this law firm has been exceptional. It really has. And you're not a number here. You're an individual. You're a client, yeah, but you're an individual. And every individual has certain needs, and there's dynamics in the family, there's all those things. And she explores that, and she comes up with a plan that fits what your needs are. I could not have done it without getting on Medicaid. I could not have done it without coming in and seeing Ellen and gotten the trust and protected our assets so I could get those things that we needed to make her life comfortable and to make my caregiving responsibilities easier. The handicap van was a home run. You know, I mean, I would wheel her in the van, I would take her to the park, all those things. That would not have been possible without me getting an elder care attorney, getting her on Medicaid, setting up the trust, and having everything in place and protecting my assets, that I can pass them on now to my children and my grandchildren.